Okay, so hello everyone. Just gonna remove myself from the spotlight view so that we can see all of your beautiful faces. So welcome to this meetup. I'm quite excited to be here because we have an experiment in front of us, as we just experienced a couple of minutes ago. Yeah, as I wrote in the Meetup description, I hope all of you are up for an experiment and a short adventure. As we are hosting this event together with IPEVO, I would like to pass the mic to IPEVO to just give a very short introduction of who IPEVO is and why they are here.
So, hi everyone. So we are IPEVO, and we are a technology company providing document camera solutions for people to communicate visually in an easier, more efficient, and professional way. So hold on, this view is doesn't look that professional. So let me change the video source to document camera. Let me quickly change it. So there you are, a more professional look and more professional touch, and achieved by using the IPEVO document camera. So today, by teaming up with Picabo, we are experimenting with incorporating approaches such as storytelling, hand-eye coordination into our daily work to make communicating knowledge more visual and interactive. And hopefully throughout this session, you can see how IPEVO document camera solutions can make the entire process a breeze. So let me quickly show you. So that's all. Have fun and enjoy.
All right, thank you so much, Justin. And for those of you who are coming, let's say, from the IPEVO world, we have also prepared something to introduce Bikablo very quickly. And like I said, that was one of the experiments. So we will do that now, and then afterwards we'll do a proper check-in as we typically do. So let me do this right together with my beautiful colleagues. And now ideally you can see the four of us in a square, and what we have prepared is that we would like to show you in a choreography who Bikablo is. So if you would switch to your document cameras as well. Exactly. So here we have Bikablo, and Bikablo is short for a German World Bilderkartenblock, which is pretty much this icon here, a little book full of icons. We're headquartered in Cologne, Germany, and we are present around the globe. And with that, I'm passing over to Jill.
Thank you, Frank. And so Bikablo also offers training and services for visual thinking, learning, and collaboration.
And we understand visualization as a cultural technique in order to create common understanding.
And last but not least, and from the blue bottom side, we are proud pioneers of the visual facilitation and love to experiment. And that's why we are here in this meetup, and welcome everyone. Thank you for being here.
So now we're gonna move this out, and we're just gonna move the B here. Our small choreography for all of you.